Hi everyone. We learned about if statement previous lesson. Let's do some practice. We have a problem like that. Create a Java program to check if two numbers equal or not. If it is equal, print, the numbers are equal. First, create two integer numbers. Integer number 1 is 20, and integer number 2 is 30. Now let's create an if condition. First, we write if keyword. Then open parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we need to write a condition. Since we want to check their equality, we will use double equal symbol. So, I am writing number 1 equal to number 2. While checking the equality of two numbers, we use this. Then we open a curly brace. When pressing enter, the block will be closed itself. Inside the block, we can just write the numbers are equal using print line. So if I print like that, it won't print the sentence, because condition is not true. See? We don't see the sentence on the console. Now I will add an else block by moving on here. Open curly brace for else block. Inside of it, I am writing a print line that it says, the numbers are not equal. So when we check the condition, it is not true, right? 20 is not equal to 30, so it will skip first print line because it is not true. Then it will print whatever inside the else block. In this case, it will print the numbers are not equal. Just to be clear, it does not print the second code just because it says the number is not equal. It prints it because the condition is not true. If I change the else block a random text, it will print this text. If condition just skip the code, if the condition is not true and moves on the else block.